Once you've successfully logged into Schoology, you will be presented with a page that looks similar to this. This is the landing page of Schoology. You will have a top toolbar over here which has a variety of different tools. And in this side panel over here, you will be on the course dashboard, which will list any courses that have either been created for you by our PowerSchool, or any courses that you have created, or courses that you are enrolled in. On the right panel over here, you will see a panel with reminders, overdue items, and upcoming items. Students will see an overdue panel of any assignments or tests or anything of that nature in all of their courses on this landing page that they have not worked on and submitted yet. If we scroll down a little bit, you will see here, as an instructor, you will have a reminders panel, and this will give you information as to anything students have been doing in your courses that need to be looked at by you. Whether something has been submitted or needs to be graded, such as an assessment, you will get a reminder here, and these are all hyperlinks that will bring you to those assignments that need to be graded. You also may have a list of upcoming items. If you are enrolled in courses, the students will see this as well. So this is a reminder of any events or anything that is upcoming that they need to look at. They can go here and they can click on it, or they can go directly into the course and find these items. In your top toolbar over here, where it says Courses, we are looking at our course dashboard. When we click on Courses, we get a little preview of all the courses that we may be enrolled in or that we may be an instructor of. If you happen to have a lot of courses, you can come over to the right and click on My Courses, and this will give you a list view of all the courses that are accessible to you. Just a side note, on the right-hand side, you also have the ability to join a course this way if you are provided with an access code for a Schoology course. We're going to go back over here up to the top. If you want to return to the home page, the landing page of our Schoology interface, you can join the Lynbrook logo, and that will bring you back. Groups are a little bit different than courses in that they are designed to be used for things like after-school activities such as clubs and sports. They differ from courses in that you would not be given the ability to assign assignments or tests or anything like that. It's more informational, where you can have discussions, or you can let anybody who is in your sport or club or whatever your group is, you can communicate with them in a smaller group setting. Resources is something that can be very important in Schoology because this is sort of like your storage area in Schoology. So items that you create in your courses, such as assessments and assignments, you can copy over to resources and have a second copy there if needed. You can share your content from resources with other colleagues within our Lynbrook Schoology domain, and you can also save the contents of an entire course at the end of the year, and then you can bring that information into a new course for the following school year. We're going to come over here to the right for these icons. We're going to skip this one for a minute. This option over here is the Schoology apps. And there are certain apps, third-party apps, that will work within the interface of Schoology itself. Right now you can see Nearpod is available. We'll go over that in another video. You also have your calendar, and this is going to display all of the items that you see here in this right-hand panel. We'll display it in a calendar format so that you will be able to see any items that you have to do or that are upcoming or that have been assigned will show up in your calendar. The mail feature over here is what's going to allow you to communicate with anybody in our Lynbrook Schoology domain. So if you need to email a colleague or you need to email a student directly, you can click on this mail icon and you can email them within the Schoology interface. This bell icon is your notification area. So very often if somebody has submitted something to you, whether it be an assignment or has completed a test, you will get a little number next to this bell indicating that number of items you have that are in Schoology that you have not looked at yet. And finally, on the right-hand side, when you click on your name here, you will have access to your profile. And this is where you can change the picture associated with your Schoology account. You can also edit your personal information on here and add additional information, interest and activities, contact information, etc. So this was just a brief tour of the Schoology interface. As we move on, I'm going to show you how to use a lot of the features that we just talked about in this video.